To the Wings T15 Cloud Analytics and AI Challenge. This video will guide you through the process of setting up and navigating the lab environment. First, click on the Launch button. Please note that it may take around 3 to 5 minutes for the lab to configure. Once the challenge is launched, you will see 3 icons in the top right corner: Credentials, Submit, and Close X. If you find that the keyboard is not working inside the virtual machine, click on the Credentials icon and then close the pop-up. When you complete the assessment, click on the Submit button. Be careful not to click on the Close icon, as this will exit the lab. On the Linux desktop, you will see an AWS Lab icon. Click on this icon to open the AWS login browser. Then, click on the Access Lab button, which will redirect you to the AWS sign-in page. Copy and paste the provided username and password from the AWS login browser tab into the sign-in fields. This will grant you access to the AWS console. After logging into the AWS console, search for EC2 in the search bar and go to the EC2 dashboard. If you encounter the API errors for 2 resources, it's fine, but if you encounter any API errors for all resources in the Resources section, inform your invigilator immediately. On the desktop, locate the project folder. Inside this folder, you will find several important subfolders. The Instructions folder, which contains the problem statement. The Input file folder, where the datasets are stored. The challenge files will be provided inside the Python and Scala. You can use any of those challenge file. In some challenges, you may also find input file / lambda directory, contains the code templates, and jar files folder, setup folder, and EMR_copy file to help configure the EMR cluster, and load files from the local environment to the EMR cluster. Note that these files might not be present in every challenge. Lastly, the question.ipython file, a Jupyter notebook for machine learning tasks. After completion of the challenge, you may cross-check all your outputs and output files according to the problem statement. Good luck, thank you for watching, and best of luck for your challenge.